Backup in NAS environment. The use of a NAS head imposes a new set of consideration on the backup and recovery strategy in the NAS environment. NAS heads uses a proprietary operating system and a file system structure that supports multiple file sharing protocols. In the NAS environment, backups can be implemented in different ways: server-based, serverless, using network data management protocol. Common implementations are network data management protocol 2-way and the same network data management protocol 3-way. Server-based. In an application server-based backup, the NAS head retrieves data from storage array over a network and transfers it to the backup client running on the application server. The backup client sends its data to the storage node, which in turn writes the data to the backup device. This results in overloading the network with the backup data and using application server resources to move the backup data. We have a diagrammatic representation for server-based backup in the NAS environment. Serverless backup. In a serverless backup, the network share is mounted directly on the storage mode. This avoids overloading the network during the backup process and eliminates the need to use resource on the application server. In this scenario, the storage node, which is also a backup client, reads the data from NAS head and writes it to the backup device without involving the application server. Compared to the previous solution, this eliminates one network loop. We have a diagrammatic representation for serverless backup in a NAS environment where we have only application server, storage array, NAS head, backup server and backup device. NDMP based backup. NDMP is an industry standard TCP/IP based protocol specifically designed for a backup in a NAS environment. It communicates with several elements in the backup environment for data transfer and enables vendor to use a common protocol for the backup architecture. Data can be backed up using NDMP regardless of the operating system or platform. Due to its flexibility, it is no longer necessary to transport data through the application server, which reduces the load on the application server and improves the backup speed. NDMP optimizes backup and restore by leveraging the high-speed connection between backup devices and NAS head. In NDMP, backup data is directly sent from the NAS head to the backup device, where metadata is sent to the backup server. In this model, network traffic is minimized by isolating data movements from the NAS head to the locally attached backup device. Only metadata is transported on the network. The backup device is dedicated to the NAS device, and hence this method does not support centralized management of all backup devices. We have a diagrammatic representation of NDMP 2-way in a NAS environment. NDMP based backup. In the NDMP 3-way method, a separate private backup network must be established between all NAS heads and the NAS head connected to the backup device. Metadata and NDMP control data are still transferred across the public network. An NDMP 3-way is useful when backup devices need to be shared among the NAS heads. It enables the NAS head to control the backup device and share it with other NAS heads by receiving the backup data through NDMP. You have a diagrammatic representation for NDMP 3-way in the NAS environment.